Over 70% of new bloggers overlook adding a sitemap, and because of that, Google might never even find their posts. What is a sitemap? Sitemap is a file that tells Google exactly where to find your blog posts. Hi blogger, today I'll show you how to set up your blogger.com XML sitemap. Let's do it. Okay viewers, here you can see my new blogger site. Right now it has only 2 blog posts. Today I'll check if these posts are already indexed by Google or not. And by doing this you will understand why adding a sitemap is so important. First, I am opening his blog post. One post is about mastering ChatGPT. And the another post is about best free online courses in Australia. Now I am going to open Google Search Console to check if Google has indexed this post or not. As you can see, I've already set up Google Search Console for my blogger site, so it logged in directly without asking for setup. If you want a step-by-step tutorial on setting up Google Search Console, let me know in the comment. Now let's check the first blog post. I am copying the link and will paste it into the URL inspection tool inside Google Search Console. And yes, you can see this post mastering ChatGPT is already indexed by Google. That is great. Now let's check the second post. I am copying its link and again paste it into the Google inspection tool. Okay, this post is not indexed and the URL is unknown to Google. Oh, look here, Google says no referring sitemap found. That's the reason it's not indexed actually. So we need to tell Google, hey, this is where my blog posts are and come and crawl them. We'll do that by adding a sitemap. You can find the sitemap option on Google Search Console from the left menu. To adding a sitemap, we have to go to Blogger dashboard. In Blogger dashboard, from the left menu, we have to click on Setting and scroll down to a section called Crawlers and Indexing. Here you will find an option that says Enable Custom Robots.txt. Turn that on. Once this is enabled, Blogger will automatically create your sitemap file. You can view your sitemap file by typing a URL like this. You will find this URL on my video description. But from this given URL, just replace your domain.com with your actual blog name.com. Let me show you how. My blog name is nextgenblogs.com. Now I am replacing this name with yourdomain.com. After replacing, I'll copying this whole URL and paste it on my browser URL bar. A file will be downloaded named default, and after opening this file, you will see a mixture of HTML code and your content like this. This is your official XML sitemap file. To fetch the sitemap with Google Search Console, we have to go back to Google Search Console, click the sitemap option on the left menu, and paste your sitemap link here just like this. A pop-up successful message will be shown like the screen after submission of the sitemap URL. Now we have to go back to the second post again and need to copy the URL and inspect it again by the URL inspection tool of GSC. Wait for a few seconds. And now look, Google has discovered the page through the sitemap we just submitted. The good news is Google now knows your post exists. Adding a sitemap helps Google find your blog post faster. Without it, some posts may never get indexed, and that means no traffic. But here's something important. That's why this page still didn't get indexed. It still says discovered currently not indexed issue is here. That means Google found the page but has not added it to search results yet. This can happen for many reasons like low content quality, poor budget, or technical issues. If you want me to show how to fix discovered but currently not indexed issue, just comment below. I will make a separate video explaining it step by step. So that's it. If this helped, smash the subscribe button. If you have got any questions, let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching my video.